Dear friends, welcome to Culinary Hub. As we continue our culinary journey of 60 dishes from 20 different countries, today I'm preparing spaghetti bolognese in meat sauce. This feel-good comfort food can be prepared even on a busy weekdays. We upload new videos every Saturday. Kindly subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for latest updates. And for the ingredients, please check the description section. First, I'll heat up little amount of cooking oil in a pot. To that, I'll add a little amount of butter and allow it to melt. As the butter melts, I'll crush in few cloves of garlic. Then I'll add chopped white onion and saute it for a minute. Then in goes chopped bell peppers, and for the protein today I am using chicken mince. I'll be adding the chicken mince in batches. Once the chicken is cooked for a minute or so, I'll season it with salt. Then I'll add a little amount of ground black pepper, little amount of chili flakes. Give it a mix and allow it to cook with the lid on for around 5 minutes. Then I'll add double cream to it and allow it to simmer for another 5 minutes. Then in goes a little amount of dried parsley. Give it a mix and cook it for another 5 minutes. Now it is the time to start boiling our spaghetti. I've boiled water. I'll be adding salt to it. And to prevent the spaghetti from sticking, I'll be adding a little amount of cooking oil. Our meat sauce is ready and the spaghetti is cooked. I will strain it out and it is the time now for plating. First I'll put in the meat sauce, top it up with cooked spaghetti, then put in some olives, grated Parmesan cheese and few chunks of cream cheese. And for that Italian touch, a little amount of capers, and fresh basil leaves, and a little sprinkle of dried herbs, and it is ready to enjoy with the bread of your choice. Thank you for watching this video. Please click the like button for this recipe, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for notifications whenever we post new videos.